Hey, Brian, what did we do on Orlando Durgan?
I don't believe that would be dismissed. To be dismissal on cases.
Gotcha. You want me to sign that?
Yes, sir, please.
All right. Let me do that so that you can move on with your life. It is not, I repeat, not in my queue. Is it in y'all's? Ellie, do y'all have Durgan's motion to revoke, motion to dismiss? That's not in here.
Oh, the dismiss?
There's a motion should be on in the queue, but it's not. Okay, on
There it is. No. Durgan.
Durgan.
Indeed.
Orlando Montez Durgan.
Sorry.
It's not showing up anywhere here. Yep, this just came up. All right, there it is. On that case, I'm signing the dismissal. That case is hereby dismissed.
Thank you, Honor, very much.
He's on the mic.
Good. Thank you, Honor.
Okay. Back to Mr. Sterling. What are we going to do here?
Judge, we have reached an agreement to add safe P as a requirement to a condition of probation and then continue him on probation.
There are no papers here, and that's okay. We're just, right? We don't need any documents.
We did sign some, Judge,
Well,
representing the agreement.
on Sterling,
Yes, on.
I don't have those.
My pages.
All right, 24 CR 2175 is hereby called. The state of Texas versus Jalen Hillary Rashad Sterling. That is you,
Yes, sir.
present, with your attorney, Ms. Minaldi, and the state's attorney. I see a motion to revoke unadjudicated probation that was filed on October 30th of last year. Is that what we are doing?
Yes, sir.
We're going to proceed on that.
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to ask the defendant, Mr. Sterling, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statements you make during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes, sir.
Lower your hand. Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, Judge.
In summary, this motion states that, and again, it was filed on October 30th of 2025. This states that on June 17th of last year, 2025, that in this court, you were placed on 3 years deferred or unadjudicated probation for assault of a peace officer.
Yes, sir.
And that is a second-degree felony. Is all of that true, sir?
Yes, sir.
Number one states that you committed the offense of evading arrest or detention on or about July 7th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas. Is that true or untrue?
True.
One month? No, not even that. About 3 weeks
Yes, sir.
after you were placed on probation, you're committing a crime on my watch?
I'm so sorry about that, Judge.
Yeah, I bet you are.
I mean,
Well, what about this? The number two is a test shows phencyclidine, PCP in your system. On my watch?
I touched some. Yes.
I know how that works. Phencyclidine, that's straight from the devil. PCP, anything with PCP is life threatening anyway. Everybody knows that. Besides, you're never the same after you ingest that. It changes organs, mental system, sometimes forever. I mean, that's foolishness. Drugs and evading arrest. On my watch, you're on probation for assaulting a peace officer. I mean, once again, this is 3 weeks into your probation. My goodness. Oh, okay. It's a second degree felony and I can get PCP and evading arrest or what's phencyclidine? That's second degree felony, I believe. And of possession, evading arrest or detention. That's going to be state
A.
jail or
Class A misdemeanor. Unless it's an evading with a vehicle, then if it's with a vehicle, then it's a third degree.
he was running on his feet.
I believe it was a misdemeanor level resisting, Judge.
It is a class A misdemeanor. This is his original PSI.
I'm looking at the police report. Yeah. Well,
The reason for our suggestion, Judge, is
and that's to continue him on probation, right?
yes, sir.
Go ahead.
But it's clear that he needs some type of substance abuse help. I mean, we have 2, 3, and 4 allegations that allege some type of drug use and some clear problem that's going on there that leads to poor decision making, whether it has to do with this underlying offense that he's on probation for with assault of a peace officer, or whether it's resisting arrest or evading arrest while through the commission of those drugs. It's clear that there's poor decision making in that front, so we need to, or Mr. Sterling would like the opportunity to address the root issue of the substance abuse issues so that he can attempt to be successful on probation.
Well, we missed the boat on that because he had he was placed on deferred for illegal possession of drugs, and I'm not sure what this is. Back in 2013, he was, and that was a third degree felony, deferred. And then possession of marijuana in 2014, that was deferred. He's already been convicted of the misdemeanor of evading arrest or detention back 8 years ago. And then another misdemeanor of illegal possession of drugs. And I'm not sure what it is. And that is a 30 days confinement in 2017. And then he gets to this stuff. So he's had a history of drug usage and involvement that obviously needs to get dealt with.
In fairness to your honor, that's a post PSI. You didn't have the benefit of that whenever we placed him on the probation. I'm driven by the fact that he's got the PCP, ecstasy, and opiates that show up in the time frame he's been, which is why I want him in a structured environment like safety if we're going to continue.
We're gonna go off the record for just a second. Okay. On this evading arrest or detention on or about July 7th, 2025. Number allegation 1, if in this motion to revoke probation, in which is a violation of condition 1 of your probation order, is that allegation true and correct as it is alleged?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true and correct to that voluntarily and because it is true?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that a plea of true, voluntarily and knowingly made of one or more violations of probation is all it takes to revoke your probation. And you're on deferred or unadjudicated probation, then you can be found guilty because you admitted guilt early in this plea hearing when we placed you on probation. And you could be found guilty and sentenced up to the full range of punishment, which is up to 20 years in prison. Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true nonetheless?
Yes, sir.
Find you are pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true. The parties have stated that they believe that continuing on probation is in the best interest of justice under the terms that the court discussed with him in off the record with the lawyers and the defendant present.
Yes, sir.
Does everybody agree?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Are y'all, Jimmy, are you right? There it is. Y'all haven't all signed this one. Prosecutor and presiding judge. But what we're doing is continuing them on probation.
Yes, sir.
So even though there is enough to grant this motion to revoke probation by a preponderance of the evidence or greater based upon the defendant's voluntarily and knowingly made plea of truth, I'm going to continue him on probation. Are you asking that he submit to a substance abuse felony punishment facility?
The special needs side of it, yes, sir.
All right, that will be his probation will be modified to include not only taking that, but successfully completing it.
Yes, sir.
And the other conditions, which will be sealed, that I told you about
Yes, sir.
and that we discussed. And
Yes, Your Honor. I mean, Your Honor.
it's not unusual for this court to revoke somebody for this. And you knew better, you made promises, and you didn't keep them for just a few months.
I feel so late.
And you can apologize all day long. It doesn't undo the fact. You've got to walk the walk. You've got a walk to make, like we all do in life, a straight and narrow path, which follows the rules, but you have a lot more to lose than all of us.
Yes, sir.
You've already been given a second chance. And you're going to serve an additional 30 days in the county jail in addition to what you have served up to now and credited. That will all be credited toward time served.
Yes, sir.
It's too early, so close this to it, just gonna keep it out.
She can't do the six. Well, if we can do 30 days, we can get it done.
Okay. Here's a continuation and modification of special conditions I'm signing that's dated 2023.
Shoot.
Well, I don't know.
I'm changing that. I wish we could go back in time. I really do. I'd make the most of it.
Are you gonna, did you have the safety order? Yeah, we do have it. Okay. And then.
And if one's not good enough, we'll get two 2023s here.
Get it over.
Mhm.
If we keep this in.
What that day?
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
We have a couple that we've held, if we had some issues, and because of these them. There's some. That's what I feel.
All right, do you understand what the marching orders are?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Come on. You got to get through this. You can do it.
Yes, sir.
Just,
Okay, thank you.
you're not just letting all of us down. You're letting yourself down. Don't do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, here's something for the, Jimmy, here's something, we kind of did a plea agreement thing on this, but this isn't signed by you. I don't think it has to be,
I thought it was.
but here,
I can swear I signed it.
Yeah, we're not-
Dang, I've signed it.
It's not saving some of the signatures, like,
Huh.
it's like that whole,
here.
I don't know, I think it's just been.
I'll tell you, you know what,
I'll
I don't even use that stylus. I don't even trust it. I use these styluses
That's the best.
like that one. That works just great. And I don't know what being attached to the pad causes it to fail,
Aimed around.
but it does.
Oh, it just didn't pick up on that one spot.
Yeah, it's not weird. Okay, well, thank you.
I sent a dismissal on the ninth.
So again,
I sent a dismissal.
On the MTRP, we have to do a dismissal, so we can get them into the.
can you,
If I can.
okay, oh, I had a bunch of, hey, Timothy Tater, okay, some Christopher, none of those got